How to kick someone from ESPN Fantasy Football. Firstly, make sure that you have downloaded ESPN Fantasy Football. Open the app on your device. If you are new here and haven't created a team, then click on Create New League to start a team. You can only remove someone from your team after making your team. Now select the number of players and click on Create League. And just like that, your team has been formed. Now right here, click on My Team, and then this kind of interface will get displayed. From the very top tab, click on the option League. Now here select League Manager tool. Inside League Manager tool, click on Managers. Here you will see all the managers that are involved in your team. I just created the team, so it's only me. But if you have multiple managers, then the remove option will be available. You can simply click on the remove option to remove them from the position. Now, if you're having any kind of problem while doing this process, then you need to check for updates. Open Play Store on your device and check for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. That's all for today. Thank you.